Example 9.14. Keeladi, a small hamlet, has become one of the very important archaeological places of Tamil Nadu. It is located in Sivagangai district. A lot of artifacts had been unearthed in Keeladi, which has given substantial evidence that an ancient urban civilization has thrived on the banks of river Vaigai. To determine the age of those materials, the charcoal of 200 grams sent for carbon dating. The activity of carbon 14 is found to be 37 decays. Calculate the age of the charcoal. Okay. Now Keeladi is one of the archaeological sites. From there, they have taken 200 gram of charcoal and sent for carbon dating. And the activity of carbon 14 is given as what, 37 decays per second. We have to find out the age of the charcoal. Okay. So in order to find out the age, we have to know the initial activity. Okay. So the activity is given by the formula. Okay. R is equal to R0 into e raised to minus lambda t. Okay. Now e raised to minus lambda t is equal to r by r0. So e raised to lambda t is equal to r0 by r. Okay. Taking log on both the sides. So log e raised to lambda t is equal to log r0 by r. Log and e will get cancelled. So lambda t is equal to log r0 by r. Now we want to find it out t. So t is equal to 1 by lambda into log r0 by r. Okay. Now what is given in the problem is R is given in the problem as 38 decays per second. Okay. Now we know R, we have to find out lambda. What is lambda? Lambda is the decay constant. Okay. So decay constant lambda is equal to 0.6931 by T half. 0.6931 by what? T half. So which is equal to 0.6931 divided by T half of carbon 14 is 5730 years. Okay, so that is a given value. So 5730 into, it is in years. So we have to write it as what? 1 year is 365.25, okay, into 24 hours, that is 365.25 days. 1 year is having 365.25 days, into each day is having 24 hours. Each hour is having what? 60 minutes, and each minute is having 60 seconds. Okay. But we can do this also separately. That is 1 year is equal to, we can write it as 365.25 into 24 into 60 into 60. Okay. So this will, if you take this value, you will be getting it as, if you multiply it is 3.156 into 10 raised to 7 second. This is the value you will be getting for this value. So we can write lambda is equal to 0.6931 divided by 5730 into 3.156 into 10 raised to 7. Okay. So which is equal to 0.6931 by, if you multiply these two values, you will be getting 18083.88 into 10 raised to minus 7. So this is 3.832 into 10 raised to minus 12. Okay. Now, to find out the value of R0, okay, we are going to use the equation R0 is equal to lambda into N0. But with N0 you don't know. We know only what? Lambda 0. So to calculate N0, we are going to write, okay. This is carbon, okay. Charcoal is nothing but what? Carbon, okay. So 12 gram of carbon is having what? 12 atoms, okay. So 12 gram of carbon contains 6.02 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. Okay, 12 gram contains Avogadro number. Therefore, 200 gram of carbon contains that is 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 divided by 12. This is for 1 gram into 200. Okay, so if you multiply this, you will be getting it as 1204 divided by 12 into 10 raised to 23. That is nothing but 100.333 into 10 raised to 23. So that we can write it as 1 into 10 raised to 25. We are approximating the value. Okay. Now we can go for finding the N0 value. Okay. So N0 is equal to, we have found out for only carbon 12. Okay. Now what is the ratio that of carbon 14 to 12? So the ratio of carbon 14 to 12 is 1.3 into 10 raised to 12. Okay. So that is how much number of carbon 14 is present in the atmosphere is 1.3 into 10 raised to 12. So N0 is equal to number of atoms, that is 1 into 10 raised to 25 into 1.3 into 10 raised to minus 12. Okay. So that is 1.3 into 10 raised to 13 atoms. This is your N0 value. So what is R0? R0 is equal to lambda into N0. Okay. So what is the value of lambda? 3.83 into 10 raised to minus 12. We have already calculated. Into N0 is 1.3 into 10 raised to 13. So if you multiply these two values, you will be getting 50 decays per second. Okay. Now we will go for the initial. We have to find out the time period. So age, no? So time. So T is equal to 1 by lambda into R0 by R. Okay. So that is 1 by lambda value is 3.83 into 10 raised to minus 12 into natural log. Okay. R0 value is given in the problem as what? We have found out as 50. R value is given in the problem as 37 decays. Okay, so log 50 by 37. Okay, so this is natural logarithms. So we have to find out the value in natural logarithm. Okay, so this is 10 raised to 12 by 3.83 into log 50 minus log 37. So it is 10 raised to 12 divided by 3.83. Log 50 value is 3.912 minus 3.610. So this is 10 raised to 12 divided by 3.83 into 0.3011. Okay. So if you divide this by this, you will be getting it as 7.86 into 10 raised to 10 seconds. Okay. Now this is in seconds we are getting, but we have to find it in years. In order to find it in years, you have to divide it by the value of 1 year. Okay, so it is 7.86 into 10 raised to 10 divided by what is the value of 1 year. We have already found out. The value of 1 year is 3.156 into 10 raised to 7. Okay, this is the value of 1 year. Okay, so this is approximately, if you divide this and this, you will be getting approximately 2500 years. Okay, so the charcoal which is found in Keeladi is approximately 2500 years old.